I'm Martin Malý, and I'm Czech hobbyist and electronic lover and programmer. I like electronic from my youth, when I was 6 years old, and I started with transistors and then I read in Czechoslovak magazine at the 80s about computing, and my dream was make my own computer, but it was too expensive in these years, so I get my ZX Spectrum in '86, but the dream persists to nowadays, and I still love these computers, and it's my youth. I started to collect some old computers, some 8-bit, from Sinclair ZX Spectrum to Commodore 64, and some Oryx, and for example Acorn, and I have a lot of computers, and I want to not only see or look at them, but to program for this computer too. And I need some compiler and some developing tools, and you know, it's a lot of such things, from compilers to integrated IDs, but I love program, so I decided to make my own assembler and made my own IDE, and because I'm a programmer of web things and web tools, so I decided it will be in JavaScript. And I built assembler in JavaScript, then I built some emulators of old processors like Z80 or 6502, and then I put it together, and voila, I have an IDE.
For how many CPUs do you have so far?
How many years?
No, how many CPUs are in?
How many CPU? 8085 and 8080, Z80, 6502, 6800, 68095.
Okay, so what do we have here?
Yes, this is a Czechoslovak computer from 1984 or 83 year. It's based on Intel 8080, and it's made from Czechoslovak or Eastern Bloc parts and CPUs.
Okay, so if we open it up here,
yeah,
get in here, and what do we got here?
And this is spare part.
Yeah.
And this is classic single board computer from 80s. Here is keyboard from calculator, Czech calculator. Here is LED display from calculator 2, and there is 8080 processor. The support IOs for this processor, 82, and 8284, I guess. This is 8255 parallel input-output, and this is RAM and some 74XX. And here is tape interface to save and load programs.
Okay, so this was originally a student computer, right?
Yeah.
So that's the reason for we got the prototyping headers down here.
Yes. And it has 1 kilobyte of RAM and 1 kilobyte of ROM, and its monitor is very great. Right, it's full of X.
Okay.